It's a wonderful Sunday morning. The sun is out. Hello. Good morning. Happy Sunday. We're going to church located in Baga Railway. Bonke, say hi to the people.
Yo, what's up, yo?
KD. He's trying to play the ignore game. But yeah, this is Kanya Dlamini with a gold chain by the neck and a brown bracelet. Mave. Hi, Omi. How are you? I'd show you our driver, but no, you'll see her. Lindy Sue. Nature, guys. Isn't nature just beautiful? See? Don't mind the dry trees, guys. We're from winter side. And I know it seems like the car is speeding, but no, this is the normal speed of the car. And I mean normal, because yo, shame. You'll see it once we get by the tar road. Good day, guys. Thank you so much to my commentator. Yes, we were going to church. It's a beautiful Sunday. The sky was blue. Everything was beautiful. Here it's winter. The scenery seems a kind of bit of dry. But yeah, this is the Lowveld. This is the rural part of my country, Swaziland, Eswatini. Yes, we are on our way to church, as she has said. I hope you're enjoying coming with us, driving with us to church. Yes, we're going to Mbaga. Yes, I don't know what she said about driving fast and all, but yeah, we are just driving normal speed. We're going to church. We're in a hurry to go to church, to get there. Yes, let's go. Yeah, we're meeting people along the road and we are off to church. Yeah, my name is Lindy Sue, the late bloomer. You know what they say about late bloomers. They're the sweetest of all fruits. You see the latest fruits in the season? They bear the sweetest fruits. Yeah, that's us. In my language. But yeah. I'm so grateful that you are here. You are going with me to Mbaga. You are taking this drive with us, this short drive with us to Mbaga. Yeah, Damsi was our commentator. She's very good at it. I guess these things come with age, because Mina, you see, I am not that young. So, yeah. We are headed to highway right now. That is where we're going to be joining the road to Mbaga, like the road from Manzini to Stegi or Manzini to Simunye. So that is where we're headed to right now. You see the beautiful scenery, the bushes. This is the Lowveld, guys. Like, really, this is the Lowveld. This is Malinza. This is where some of us grew up. I might not have grown up in this particular area, but where I grew up, it's just as bushy and as dry as this in winter. Yeah, we are rural girls. I'm a rural girl. Yeah, let's go. Yes, we are going to church. We are going to church after so long. Yeah, we've been busy with the traditional wedding, my sister's traditional wedding, as you've seen the videos, which of course was a beautiful, beautiful experience. Experiencing all that and experiencing it in your family was so great. I really loved it, although we're also tired. Yes, we are at Highway now, at Highway Stores, not to mean a highway road, but Highway Stores, that's the name of the shop. And we are joining the main road from Manzini to Sitegi. We're on our way to Mpaga. Come with me. Yeah, there is a lot of work to be done. There is so much litter along the road. Yeah, something has to be done. Campaigns, and people have to be taught not to throw papers and tins along the road. It's not good for the environment. You see, the blue sky that we are boasting of an unpolluted sky, but we are polluting our land with these papers and tins and all that. But yeah, let's go. We're going there. Yeah, it's a bit hot today after a cold winter season. Yeah, but today it's a bit hot. Yes, let's go. We are gonna pass Mpaga shopping complex. It's bigger. It's a bit bigger than Highway. I will show you someday. Not today. Today I am in a hurry. We are in a hurry. We are right on time for church. You cannot say we're late. We're just right on time for church. So we cannot be stopping and showing you around. But one day I assure you I'll be showing you around Mpaga and around my village, around the place where I stay. Yes, because I want you to know me as much as I would like to know you. That is why I request you to subscribe, like, and comment below. Right now we are in Mpaga. Yes, Mpaga, this is where there is a shopping complex. There is an ATM. There are ATMs, Standard Bank, Swazi Bank, and Standard Bank. And there is a bigger supermarket, which is a branch of Spar supermarket. And it is close to the railway compound where we go to church, because we use the railway hall as our church. There are 3 services in one day, different churches. The first one is at 8 to 10, and we get in at 10 to 12, and then the last group from 12 to 2, and we are just in the middle. We cannot be late. We cannot finish late. Yeah. It's a wonderful day. It is indeed a wonderful day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We should be rejoicing and be glad in it. Yes, we are there. We are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. That's Mpaga. That's Mpaga. Yes, that's Mpaga. And Yes, it's a bit busy. During the week, there are a lot of taxis there. There's the ATM, the sign showing the ATM, FNB, Swaziland Building Society, Swazi Bank, Eswatini Bank. Yeah, yeah, we are slowing because there are speed humps around this place because there's a lot of people that are passing through the road. Yes, we are getting to Swaziland Railway. You see that roofing, brownish roofing. That's Swaziland Railway staff quarters. That is where we're going. That is where we attend church. That is where we come to church every Sunday. We are going towards the gates now, and here we're by the gates. And the security officer is opening the gate for us right now. He is letting us in. Yes. Yeah, Swaziland Railway. We are inside. This is a very beautiful place. I will take a video for you in summer so you see how beautiful this place is. It's just that it's winter and the grass is shriveled a bit. And it's not so green. But yeah, that's just the parking. We are getting there. The other people that come before us, they just got out of church. And yes, we are in church now. We are inside the hall. We are by the door right now. Yes, we enter. Yeah, it's been a long time. We haven't been here in like a month or so. Oh, no, not a month. Like 3 weeks. Because we were busy with the traditional wedding, as I've said. And that's Mage Mamba, Mam Tidi, the songstress of the church. Yeah, and she's such a vibe. Yeah, that's me behind her. Yeah, hi guys. That's me. We're in church. And that's Pastor Nobile, the grandmother of the church, as the SMC would say. Yeah, there's baby Omi there. And there's another baby, Dema. Yeah, and the guys are setting up the instruments. Hi, yes, they're saying hi. Yeah, and there's Kanya there and Marve. And there's the girl. Mrs. Mamba. Yes, the girl. Yeah, she put her sunglasses and she says, Izaza, okay. Yeah, and we're about to start church. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Advice is welcome. Help me grow this channel as we journey together. Let's go together. Let's do this together. I am sure we are going to do it. I am sure we're going to make it. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.